Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a balm for cracked or dry heels, and I have all my ingredients ready here, and I have a bowl ready and sanitized, clean, and of course I have my tin that I'll be putting my finished product in. So I will be combining all my ingredients in this bowl, and I'll be putting it on a double boiler to melt. So now that all my ingredients are in my bowl, I'm gonna put it on a double boiler to melt all my ingredients slowly, and I'll be right back. So now that all my ingredients have melted, I am going to kind of stir it like this to make it cool down a little bit before I add my cool down ingredients. So now I am ready to add in my cool down ingredients, which is vitamin E oil, and my fragrance, I can see my oils have started to kind of solidify a little bit, and after a stir I'm gonna be pouring it to my tin. So now we're ready to pour into a tin here. So now we're just gonna give it a little while, and then we'll be back when it solidifies completely. So our balm is ready. So this will help with dry heels or cracked heels. It will moisturize it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave us a thumbs up and a comment.